In a world where every second counts and operational chaos lurks around every corner, comes a revolutionary tool that will change the game forever. Introducing the Boss Replacement. Here to save your day, and maybe even the universe. Ever felt like your current system is more than a few decades behind? Well, fret no more, fearless firefighters. The Boss Replacement is here to bring you out of the dark ages and straight into the age of awesome. Gone are the days of guessing and stressing. Now, with just a click, you'll know precisely which appliance is where, what's happening in real time, and who took the last donut from the break room. Out with the old, and in with the bold. Boss Replacement is smoother than a greased fire pole, faster than a Dalmatian after a sausage, and as reliable as, well, a fire hose in a water fight. So prepare to laugh in the face of confusion and wave goodbye to inefficiency. The Boss Replacement is your ticket to operational bliss. Trust us. Even the aliens wish they had this kind of technology. Coming soon.